are the good and the bad of the method that I'm going to show you. So the good is that it's more profitable than Amazon. I know you guys might have seen the short where I broke down Amazon, and even with the Amazon, there is even further ways to go into getting paid using this same method and everything. But it's a little bit of a process. But right now, I know you guys have been clamoring a little more for Walmart, so I'm going to break it down. Get amazing rates on Walmart using this method. And again, I'll get into the method, but you get better rates using Walmart. There's a larger quantity of items to choose from. So remember, when I tell you all of this site and everything like that, just more things you can get from Walmart in general. And I'll come back to that later, can make multiple accounts. So with Walmart, unlike Amazon, when you are with an account, you're locked into that account. And there's other things that Amazon does to keep you from using multiple accounts. And so again, I get into that further in my VPN method, and I might do a video later on how Amazon actually tracks you even more. And again, gift cards are sold virtually anywhere and can be bought with gift cards. So with Walmart, you can use Walmart on Paxful as well, and I do get trades for that. And normally, unlike other methods that I might use, I don't even ask for a receipt or anything like that. I just make sure they send me the code, and it's a lot quicker. So that's good. But see, here's the bad part. There are more scammers with Walmart, and that's why you have to be very careful. It took me a while to build up a snowball and create a list, but it is doable. Takes a long time to get constant trades, and it's true. It does take a long time to get constant trades, but when you do, there's a lot of people that are like, hey, I don't know why you
slow to restock one out. Now, as I told you, the method I'm going to show you, this is what I mean.
slow restock when they're out. But with the new updated terms and services that they have on their website, there are not
Always up to date. Again, this is something,
and this is why it's at the bottom of the list of the bad. But they have updated
their site, and they are really treating it a lot better. And long delivery times, I mean long delivery times as in how we're going to get into this method in a little bit, and you'll understand why I say long delivery times, but it is worth it. So let's get into it a little more. So the best way to use the Walmart method is I Pay You. Now, I Pay You is a company that I've talked about in the past on a few of my videos before they were coming along, but now they've got their stuff together even more. And if you go to I Pay You, go there, make an account. Some of you might use Purse and all of that, which is fine. I like I Pay You, especially for their updated, how do you say it, ways to get paid. I'll say that. And I want you guys to make sure you use the merchandise for Bitcoin. And the reason why I say that is because there's just a lot, it's just way better now. They have improved how you can get paid, meaning before you had to ship it to the company and you had to say, I pay you. Well, Walmart, Amazon, all these other companies, Best Buy and all of that were just flagging them. Home Depot, they were just flagging these merchandise buys because they're like, look, we're not trying to help you make some money off of this, and especially Amazon. Well, now they've gotten smart, iPayU has, and they're like, hey guys, ship it to yourself and then send it to us. And we're still going to keep the same rate, which makes them a lot better. You guys need to understand that. This makes it way better. And again, there's many items to choose from to resell or to hold on to. Again, to hold on to, and I get into that on a different method, but right now I just want to focus on this I Pay You method using Walmart. So there are many items to choose from, and again, Walmart is such a big company, and they're starting to catch up with Amazon and their delivering area, I guess, their e-commerce store. That's a better word. They're getting better than Amazon at their e-commerce and shipping and trying to become a powerhouse in that area. And they have a lot of items on their website, not just that you can go to your local Walmart and buy, but also they're getting pretty good with their third party sellers and all of that. So you guys go check that out. And it doesn't take much to get some good traders on Paxful if patient. And I say this because I like to keep my Walmart trades very high. You know, I like to try to keep it at 50%, even 40% is what I'll pay for it, because Walmart cards are a dime a dozen, because a lot of people don't know how to get paid with them. So they're just ready to get rid of them. Okay. But it's going to take some time. It took me at least a day or 2 days until I was able to get a constant flow of Walmart. But again, once I did, I made sure to hold on to those people and just always hit them up every time I came back on Paxful. Certain BIN numbers are available with Walmart, so don't get discouraged if trying to use One Vanilla, Visa, or MasterCard gift card. Yeah, but it seems to be a little longer, especially because Walmart started cracking down on that. So guys, if I was you, I would just stick to only taking Walmart gift cards. Don't try the Visa or anything like that if you want to get things going quicker. And again, I said iPayU has been updated, so now it's easier than before to get paid. Again, it's just going to take some patience, because you could ship it to them, because now they go under different surnames to be able to, or aliases, to get the items to them and get paid by them. But I just found it, if you're not in a rush, and this literally costs you guys nothing extra to do, just get it sent to you and then just send it to them, right? Especially if you're getting these gift cards at such a good amount, good rate, and then you're turning around and buying these items and shipping it to them slow. Hey, you're still getting paid and it's still at the same rate, right? So yeah, that's kind of the method I wanted to talk about. I did say in a short video that there was 3 ways to get paid. This is one of them, and this is the lowest cost of entry for you. So although it takes a while to build up a good snowball with Walmart, like I said, once you have it going, you're able to do significantly better than any other gift cards. And this is why I say Walmart is like my number 2 favorite way to get paid behind other gift cards. And again, there's more merchandise, which means more ways to make money. And it's easier for you beginners. I literally just broke it down how you do it. So go check them out. They also break it down pretty good. And it's no real risk to you. Unlike Amazon, you'll lose your account. And if you guys have wives that are buying a lot of stuff on Amazon, that's going to be bad. But with Walmart, you can make multiple accounts with them, okay? So it's no real risk of losing like an Amazon account or anything like that. So again, guys, I explain more of this and the other ways to get paid out with Walmart in my beginners program here.